might just think this is another rainy day in North Queensland, but this downpour isn't coming from Mother Nature. It's coming from an ATS 2000 pneumatic submersible pump. This pump runs entirely on compressed air, making it suitable for use in hazardous environments. Built from solid cast iron, it's as rugged as they come. And at Dowdens we've been supplying the ATS 2000 for over 20 years. Why? Because it performs every time. Worried about durability? Well, we're not. And even with all that performance and durability, it's still lightweight and easy to move. Ideal for mobile crews or tight spaces. The ATS 2000 Pneumatic Sump Pump. Tough, dependable and built for serious work. Get in touch with Dowdens today and put it to work on your site.